If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down, and then you want to go to the Apps option. In here, we should be able to find the app lock, so let's select it. Now over here, we have the choice between the two password types. We can use the screen lock password or privacy protection password. Now, if you mostly care just about the fingerprint, and if you already have it set up, then of course, we're gonna just stick with the screen lock, but feel free to try to create a dedicated privacy protection password instead. I'm gonna tap on the turn on. We need to enter the screen lock password in order to continue, and then we have a couple of app suggestions that we can immediately lock. In my case, I'm just gonna uncheck everything, and I'm gonna proceed by using the Use App Lock option. Now, before we lock our apps, you can also find the Use Your Fingerprint suggestion. So if you have it, you can just tap on it. If not, go to Settings in the upper right corner, and then here we have the Fingerprint Unlock option, so we can enable it over here. Use the fingerprint in order to, of course, activate it. There we go. Then, of course, we can lock apps that we wish to be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock YouTube over here. I'm gonna lock the Messages app as well. And now if I try to open any of these locked apps, as you can see, I have to use my fingerprint. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.